organisation that works towards creating greater equality for travellers in North Cork, improving access to services and building stronger connections with the settled community to promote greater understanding of travellers' unique culture and heritage. Our organisation began in 2006 with an initial focus on health. Over the years, our project gained an understanding of the social determinants of health, the areas outside our personal choices, for example, our environment, access to education, to accommodation, to social participation and employment. In recognition of the range of factors contributing to poor physical and mental health, the project has broadened its remit to seek improvements in accommodation and living conditions, to support progression for travellers, to promote self-organisation, to challenge discrimination, to promote traveller cultural identity. The core activities of TNC therefore include providing support for traveller groups in identifying issues of importance and developing programmes of activities in their own communities, strengthening the traveller voice in multi-agency settings addressing health, accommodation, education and general welfare needs, hosting and facilitating events to promote and celebrate traveller culture, delivering training in traveller cultural awareness to a range of groups and service providers locally, making a positive contribution to policy development through supporting research and making evidence-based submissions. When it comes to promoting understanding of our human rights and how to access those rights, our project was delighted to receive the support and guidance of the Centre of Criminal Justice and Human Rights in University College Cork and Dr. Doug Cuby, who has been a great ally to the project on our journey. Together we decided to undertake this piece of research to look at the impact of the public sector equality and human rights duty for travellers. This is important to us as it's been nearly a decade since the Human Rights and Equality Commission Act of 2014 made a requirement of public sector bodies to eliminate discrimination and promote equality of opportunity and treatment for their staff and service users. The public sector inequality human rights duty provides an opportunity to clearly identify barriers to access and inclusion and work together to remove those barriers if implemented. Our research is a snapshot of how a range of public sector bodies engaged with their public sector duty, and importantly, how travellers experience their interactions with a range of different service providers, identifying themselves what the barriers and solutions are to removing discrimination in our access to public services. I am happy to be able to share this report with you all today and to start a conversation about the need to include travellers in decision making, for only when we work together and acknowledge the issues will we find the solutions that work. I am now delighted to introduce Bernard Joyce, Director of the Irish Traveller Movement, to formally launch our report. Thank you.